is Rayana. Today we will have lesson 5. The topic is can't, was, were, could and words that go together. Can and can't. Bu qila olish hamda qila olmaslik. For example, I can drive a tractor. Men traktor mina olaman. And she can't run fast. U tez yugura olmaydi. Do you know superheroes in the pictures? What can they do? Rasmdagi qahramonlarni taniysizmi? Ular nima qila oladi? For example, Superman can fly. Misol uchun, Superman ucha oladi. Spider-Man can climb buildings. O'rgimchak odam binolarga tirmashib chiqa oladi. Wonder Woman can run very fast. Ajoyib ayol esa juda ham tez yugura oladi. Practice. Begzod and Dexter. What can they do and what they can't do? Begzod hamda Dexter nima qila olishini, nima qila olmasligini ko'rib chiqing. Complete the sentences about Begzod and Dexter with the following words. Quyidagi so'zlardan foydalanib, Begzod hamda Dexter haqidagi gaplarni to'ldiring. The words are a little bit, quite well, really well, fluently, not at all, brilliantly. So'zlar a little bit, birozgina, quite well, anchagina yaxshi, really well, juda ham yaxshi, fluently, ravon, not at all, yo'q, aslo, brilliantly, a'lo darajada. And here you can check your answers. Ask and answer questions about you and a partner using the verbs and word combinations in the slides above. Do'stingiz bilan birgalikda bundan oldingi slaydlarda o'tgan fe'l hamda gaplarimiz haqida savol va javob qiling. Was, were, could. Present and past simples, positive and negative sides. For example, I am not. In the past, I was, I wasn't. You are, you aren't. In the past, you were, you weren't. In present, he, she, it is, isn't. In the past, he or she was, wasn't. In present, we are, we aren't. In the past, we were, we weren't. They are, they aren't. In the past, they were, they weren't. In question, we put was in the beginning. For example, was he, was she, or were you, were they, can, could. Could bu biron narsani qila olishlik. Couldn't buni negative side. For example, he could read when he was 4. U 4 yoshida o'qiy olar edi. She couldn't walk until she was 3. U 3 yoshiga qadar yura olmas edi. Complete the sentences with the past of the verb to be and can. Pause the video and complete the sentences. Videoni to'xtating va mashqlarni bajaring. And here you can check your answers. Words that go together, noun plus noun. Birgalikda keladigan so'zlar, ot va otlarning qo'shilishi. Match a noun in A to a noun in B. A'dagi otlarni B'dagi so'zlarga moslab chiqing. And here your answers. For example, motorbike, mototsikl, motorway, avtomobil yo'li, bus stop, avtobus bekati, bus station, avtovokzal, businesswoman, ishbilarmon ayol, sunglasses, ko'zoynak, coffee shop, cafe, living room, umumiy xona, handbag, sumka, railway station, temir yo'l stansiyasi, car park, avtoturargoh, traffic lights, svetofor. And here we have got verb plus noun. Bu yerda esa fe'l va otlarning qo'shilishi. Pause the video and do it. Here you can check your answers. Ask and answer question with a partner. Do'stingiz bilan birgalikda savol hamda javoblar bering. For example, where do you usually go on holiday? Ta'tilda qayerlarga borasiz? We like to go to the seaside. Biz sohil bo'yiga borishni yoqtiramiz. Can you speak any foreign languages? Biror bir chet tillarda gaplasha olasizmi? Yes, but not fluently. Ha, lekin ravon emas. Thank you for your attention. E'tiboringiz uchun rahmat. See you next lessons.